What's good people? You know, it's your boy Panda right here from Panda Vlogs, you know what I mean, 664, you know, the thing set up already. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been today we're gonna do, you know, a radio install because the radio now this year take the crap about 2-3 weeks ago, so I ordered a new one, you know what I mean. It's from a company called SjoyBring. I know this video is not sponsored, you know what I mean. Let me get a little sneak peek of what going on, you know what I mean. See it here, so SjoyBring. So that's what's going in. We're gonna install that, but before we do that, journey with me, you know what I mean. We're going on the road to make a few errands and, you know, pick up some lunch still. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Your boy is back, here to entertain you, rock you. By the way, you see how me handsome? Jesus. Anyway, let's go. So as me say, I got journey with me still. I just stick up on GoPro mount in the vehicle as well. So I'm actually checking and testing the rigidity of this mount as well. Let me see how we hold up. So that's what's going in. But yeah, for those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Panda, you know what I mean. My government name is Ezra, but everybody know me as Panda still, you know what I mean. I never really got this name Panda just so. To give you the backstory about it, first of all, I'm a lover of cars. I'm a lover of cars. I love vehicles, I love fast driving, I love racing. That is one of my passions, yeah? Cool. So I used to hang on a garage, you know, with a set of friends. So one of the brethren them say, yo, everybody around here got nickname, and Ezra don't have a nickname. What do you think we should call it? So, you know, them say dolphin, me no answer. Them say whale, me no answer. Then them say panda, me say yes, and I say alright, boom. Since then, me name Panda. That's my name from then since, you know. So yeah, previously before Panda, the original people, them the real OGs, you know, they know me as Charmer. To give you a backstory about that, and really no backstory still. The name speak for yourself. What the fact is this, yeah. me dash cam, you know what I mean, just fly off a hinge. So just hold on, let me just pull up on the side and fix it. Alright, we're back. Hopefully, you know, you continue to behave yourself and not give me no trouble. But yeah, as I said, the name really speak for itself. But all jokes aside, when I was in school, MSS preferably, we used to look a lot of females because I mean, hey, I am a male, you know what I mean? I mean, like what I like still. So me they look some females, and they had this one girl in particular. She said, boy, you're so persistent, me not telling a lie. You really want Charmer because you always come to me with sweet words. So now she had me thinking, me like, Charmer. Alright, boom. And that's my name still, Charmer. Then my brother them say, Charmer! The girl them calmer. So them say daddy. But nonetheless, yeah, that's how I got the name Charmer. So yeah. Right now we on our way to the bank. Have to make a little transaction there. Then after that, we're gonna go to Dian, get some lunch, you know what I mean? And we're gonna yam down that same way. And then after that, we're gonna install the radio. Yeah. So just continue journey with me, you know what I mean, and see what's going on. And I know some of you might say, okay, well, you're in a vehicle, you're driving, you have up the mount, so why not show us, you know, your beautiful island? By the way, I live in the beautiful Emerald Isle of Montserrat, West Indies. Never you forget that, you know what I mean? Nature lovers paradise still. So yeah, we live in the beautiful island of Montserrat. If you don't know where Montserrat is, it is located a few miles away from Antigua. If you don't know where that is, I suggest you go to www.google.com, you know what I mean, and make sure you check it out. Montserrat is one of the most, you know, beautiful, enchanted islands of the Caribbean, you know what I mean. The people are friendly. We have a lot of tourist attractions, you know. You can come, you can see the volcano, you know, you can come, you could go snorkeling, you could go jet skiing, all those lovely things, you know what I mean. You could go hiking with Scriber and all them things there still, you get me? So that is what going on. But none of this, man, just keep tuned into Panda Vlogs, and as the days, months and years progress here on my channel, I will give you a sneak preview into the island, you know, do different reviews and so forth, etc. So yeah, man, just stay tuned. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Can't stress that there enough for no brother. No, I'm not Jamaican, I'm Montserrat, but yeah. Not wrong with the Jamaican, them still big up by yourself. So that's what's going on. But yeah, as we said,
I wanna see you in the morning. Yeah, yeah. Girl, I really want you to hold on tight to me. Girl, I want you to push back your bump up on me. Girl, I really want you to hold on tight to me. Girl, I want you to push back your bump up on me. Girl, I wanna give you morning fun. Give you little love when the morning come. And anytime you do your morning turn, got me up and make you sweat in your morning run. Anytime you see me, call me down. You not have to tell me that the fun not done. Let we have a little morning fun. No girl, I bet you never wake up to a monstrous sun. Girl, you got me calling, calling. Now I am falling. Oh baby, be my little darling. Girl, yes, you got me calling, calling. Now I am falling. Now, be my little darling.
Alright people, so we get the food, you know what I mean? Let me just get a little sneak preview of what I've got. Let me tell you right now what chicken and chips we get still. But yeah, get a little sneak preview how the food look rich and it tastes good too, because one thing about me, you know, you can ask anybody, if the food not tastes good, me not come at your place. Understand? Trust me. Or I should say, if it not taste good, me not come back at your place. You understand? So the thing set. So the chicken rich and nice, and oh gosh man. And it also, once you order lunch from Dan's, it also comes with a complimentary drink. We never show what a drink is, but let me have a taste and see what's going on in. Tastes like ginger and passion fruit mix. Could be wrong, but it tastes like ginger and passion fruit. Yeah, but anyways, nonetheless, we're gonna chow down, you know what I mean, have some lunch, and then we're gonna jump straight into the radio install, yeah? Panda, am I out? See you in a bit. Alright people, so me just not too long devour the food there still. So right about now we're gonna get the radio installed, but previously let me give you a rundown. I recently had in a 10.1 inch Android deck, hence the reason you see, you know, here open, because it came, you know, all the way around there. Yeah, it worked good for a while, and then one day the touchscreen stopped work. So I said, alright, cool. Well, the left side of the touchscreen stopped work. So I take it out, me actually look for, you know, some solutions on what to do. And I really mean to find nothing. I want Chinese brand. I mean, I tell you, I mean, I say all Chinese brands are bad still. And the first time I ordered one Android deck, you know, of that size to be exact. So anyways, long story short, we take it out, we disconnect all the wires and so forth, etc. Put them back in, put back in the radio. The radio worked for 3 days, and after that, not one thing on the radio I'm gonna touch. Screen, nothing to say. If you leave the last place you left the radio, that is what it is. So if you left it on a radio station at volume 13, turn on the vehicle, bam, that's the be. You can't do nothing, you can't lock it off, you can't do nothing. So that was the end of that. RIP, you know what I mean, to that radio brand. I'm not gonna call the name still, because they have made some other, you know, good radios as well, but there must have been a flaw in that one. But anyways, we're gonna jump right into the installation right about now. We're gonna get the old wires them out, and then we're gonna put in the new wires. You get me still? Alright, let's go. Alright, so all the wires from the old deck, see them here, they're out. We have the ISO, which meaning, you know, your power, battery, your front speaker wire them, you know what I mean, your back speaker wire them, you know, if in case you have your remote controls and the steering or whatever. This is your ISO, and this is your aux cable from off of the old deck. Sorry. And this is the video cable. I won't be needing these cables, but I'm not gonna throw them away because, you know what I mean, I can always use the ends or something off of them, or if we need extra wire for do something, we always have those handy. So let's get into wiring up the other one. Boom, let's go. Alright, that's all the wires hooked up still. So now we're gonna take out the radio and see if it powers on. But before we do that, yeah, the old radio used to have, it never had a rear RCA, right? So what I had to do, I had to come join me, man. So what I had to do, this is the Rockville, you know what I mean, 12-inch subwoofer, by the way. It came with a high pass filter. So you see, I had to connect these lines to my 6x9s, you know what I mean, and run it through, don't know if you can see, through the high pass filter here. So now with this deck I should be able to use my RC. I already had the RCA leads run and everything. And then I already had them run, so we gotta plug them in. Plug them in here now. Plug them in here now. I gotta disconnect this high pass filter for now. Oh, hold on. Alright. Okay, have everything hooked up here now. Let's turn it on, see what's going in. Boom. See it there? See it there? Alright, this is the SjoyBring stereo.
Right here on ZGB Radio 95.5, 88.3 FM.
So you know we go already. That has been the radio install. Right about now, I'm gonna tie it back up and, you know, come back and wrap up the video still. So y'all just stay tuned, stay tuned. Here is the finished product. You know what I mean? Sitting nice and flush within the vehicle. So all of the good vibes. Right about now, I'm gonna close out the video. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. You know what I mean? Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Well, preferably Instagram, pandavlogs_664. You can also follow my drone page, my drone photography / videography page, Panda Drone Media, you know what I mean, on Instagram as well. I'm gonna put those in the description down below, as well as I will do a proper review on this radio, you know what I mean, on next day. But for right now, I sort out the settings and so forth, etc. But I'll actually put the link down below, where I bought it and how much the price was. Well, if you click the link, you go find out that anyway. Panda, I'm out. Easy.